In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up adult Patreon. If you want to make sure your Patreon account is ready to view adult creators and 18 plus content where permitted on the platform, this process is very straightforward. We'll be adjusting a privacy setting inside your account so Patreon can show you creators whose pages are marked for adult audiences. As you follow along, make sure you're already logged into your Patreon account in your browser. Start by going to Patreon. Once the site loads, head to your main creator or account view so you can access the account menu. If your screen looks a little different from what you see here, that's normal. Patreon occasionally updates the layout, but the setting we need is still in the same general area. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the three-dot menu. This opens a small navigation menu with extra account options. It can be easy to overlook, especially if you're focused on the center of the page, so take a second to scan the lower left side carefully. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you into the area where you can manage your account preferences. Patreon keeps a lot of important options here, including profile controls, account visibility, and content-related preferences. Once you're inside Settings, click on Privacy. This section controls what kind of content and account experience is visible to you. It's also where Patreon places certain audience and safety-related preferences, so this is the key area for enabling access to adult creators. In the Privacy section, find the option Related to Adult Creators. Depending on the version of Patreon you're seeing, the wording may be slightly different, but it should clearly reference adult creators or 18 plus content. This setting is important because Patreon uses it to decide whether adult creator pages should appear in your browsing experience. When you find that option, toggle on the setting to see 18 plus creators. Once it's turned on, Patreon should allow adult creators to appear for your account where applicable. If the switch doesn't seem to apply right away, give the page a moment to update or refresh the page afterward to confirm the settings stayed enabled. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Patreon privacy preferences to allow adult creators to be visible on your account. If you're not seeing the expected content afterward, double check that the toggle is still on and that you're viewing Patreon while signed into the correct account.